Yeah, pop down to Beyond Tools today with Carol to show her this enormous range they've got down here. Hi Karina, how are you?
Hi Russell, good to see you.
Hi Karina. How do you know Karina?
Tool shop, Carol. Come here all the time.
Welcome to Beyond Tools.
This is amazing. What have you got here?
So we sell tools for all trades, starting from screws to hammers to power tools and machinery.
Yeah, it's fantastic. Great range here.
Do you want to take a tour?
Let's go.
So Beyond Tools is a WA operated and owned family business. Our father was an ex-cabinet maker and he saw the need for good quality tools. So we cater for people who are DIY home users to pretty much a tradesman. So basically a Carol to a Russell.
I've had the Makitas for a while, but Carol's lent a few of them out to people who've got no idea, and haven't got them back. And there's nothing worse than losing tools. If Carol lost a pair of shoes, I'd never hear the end of it.
So this is our Makita section.
Wow, that's a vacuum cleaner.
It sure is.
Yeah. Like one of those ones that just does the work while you're sitting watching TV.
Yeah.
A bit like me. It's a huge range. There's amazing tools here, and really, I could spend a day in here quite easily just having a look at everything because it's pretty interesting.
Yeah, I went looking around for something that caught my eye.
Hey, Karina, have you noticed where Carol's gone? She was here a minute ago. She's probably lost in this massive shop. Oh, look, there she is. Great shoes.
I know. Got a pink hat.
Those
Pink
shoes look
Have a hat with a pink hat on. Oh, now that's really cute. That's really. And I found these awesome pink hard hats and these beautiful pink steel cap boots. Tell me who's boss. That's what it said on the box.
cool. But we need to get back to what we're here for, and let's go looking for some tools.
It's a family business. They're all related, and that to me feels good.
If you can't get down to Beyond Tools, you can always order online. If you've got any broken tools, you can always pop down, bring your tool in, and our service team are happy to help out.